Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today is a bit of a different video. We're actually going to be doing something quite different to what we normally do. You might actually see we're not actually in a game today, we're actually in Google Chrome. Today I'm going to be doing something quite magnificent. I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Discord bot. Now, this tutorial here is not going to be a very confusing one because I'm really just going to be using a simple, very simple npm package that you can also, you don't even know how to code technically to do this. Like when I found this package, I kind of slowly drifted away from discord.js because of just how easy and simple it is to use. Maybe prefix is it. Yep, this is it right here. So today I'm going to be using ripley.it for my coding service, just mainly because it's easy to code things on it. I will be blurring out these names just because I haven't got premium, so I can't actually keep them private, and I don't want people going onto them and getting my Discord bot token. Alright, so, and we're actually lucky, because if you also want to do this, you can as well. And so now it's going to be different to the code launcher you use, because I'm using Ripley. I'm just going to use the little packages button over here and search for Discord bot script, and there it is. So version 1.7.0, that's right, and here we go. I'm also going to leave a link for the Discord server for the support team and their and the docs. So their docs are there'll be, like I said, a link in the description for the docs, but also in the description there will be this, and this is what you're going to need to paste in first. So you're going to copy that, and we're just going to paste that right in there. Now, before we click run or do whatever you need to go to discord.com/developers. And what this is going to do is going to take you to developer page. Anyway, new application. So I'm going to call this one just tutorial. I'm going to create. So after you've created it, you actually have to go to bot and add bot. It's going to say you can never remove it. This is fine because we're going to be using it as a bot. Now this is where your token is. So remember, you just created your bot, and if it didn't take you here, go back to applications. And on your screen you should see tutorial, click on it. But when you click on bot, this is where you change your bot's profile picture, their name, and everything of the above. I will be showing you how to invite the bot to your server and everything else. So when you got this here, you're going to click copy, and then you're just going to go, so once you click copy on your Discord bot token, you can come back to your ripley.it, or yeah, anything, whatever you're using, you can just come back to your code. And in your token area, you're going to delete that and paste it in there. Now, don't worry about it, I'm probably just going to regenerate this token, even though it's not going to be any servers, just my test server. Alright, so now we have our test server here. It's actually just the template one. So yeah, after we have that, we're actually going to get the invite link for our bot. So the easiest way I find is you're just going to type up invite. There's probably a much easier way, but I just do it this way. Invite Discord bot. And there should be literally one called bot invite, or invite Discord bot. And it'll just be probably like a random bot. And when you're just going to come back to your Discord developer, go back into your application, click on general information, and copy that client ID. And you actually want to take care of, because where it says client ID, you want to highlight all the numbers and delete them and put in your client ID. Now you might see this bit here says permissions. It's just where you'll set your bot's permissions. So go back to your application, general, bot. You don't actually have to do this right now, but this is where like you can add your permissions, and you just copy this number here. Except I'm just going to do administrators for testing purposes. As you can see, it's just 8 for administrator, and that technically takes care of everything. It means they get all the permissions needed. So you can copy that or highlight and copy it. And then where it says permissions, you want to highlight that number there. Could just be one number or many. And paste in your number there that the permission list gave you. Click enter. And as you can see, we have tutorial. And then you select your server. So tutorial, there it is. And we're going to click continue. And it's going to confirm that you want to grant tutorial the following permissions on tutorial. So, and this is also where it says how many it's been used and how active it's been. And as you can see, I selected administrator, copied that, and it says administrator. We're going to click authorize. Authorize. And so now if we go back into our Discord, here's tutorial. It's currently offline, but if we come back to Ripley or your code editor or whatever you're using, and you run your code, it's going to say ready on client tutorial. This means it's online. If we go here, it's online. Now, I'm actually going to run the command ping, so that's $ping, and it should give us the ping of the bot. And there's our ping, 52. This is actually in milliseconds, so if I actually wanted this to be a real one, I would do money sign ping ms, and then we're going to stop and run. This is how you save. And so if you want to save in a new feature, you go to stop it and then run it again. And look, here we go. You ready? Whoop, that was terrible. Not going to matter anyway. Ping. And there you go, 122 milliseconds. This is the bot's ping, not yours. So, this is going to be all for this video. Thanks for watching. This is just the getting started video. Next video, I'll be going into more depth on how to make commands. And I do have a video suggestion that someone wants me to do, and I will do that later today. Alright, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope this really does help you. See you later, everyone. And see you in the next video.